As promised, this is day 15 of my side yard renovation. Like I said in an earlier video, I did this a little bit different. I didn't use a slit seeder. We used the tractor and a landscape rake and pretty much got everything back down to bare dirt. And once we did that, we just used a earthway bag seeder, crank seeder, and spread the seed out. And then one other thing that we did that was a lot different is we used a compost material and put a little small thin layer over top of the seed instead of using any kind of straw or anything else. By far, so far, this has been the best renovation of the two. It came in fuller, it came in quicker, and I think the big thing is there's hardly any bare spots. In fact, I wouldn't even really call them bare spots. And like I said, we're just into 15 days, so very, very, very pleased with that. And I think the biggest difference is better seed coverage when I sowed the seed, and I really believe that compost may have really helped things out too. Although I did water twice a day just like the other, everything else was the same, but this just seemed to come in a little better. In fact, I had a neighbor stop and ask if I had put down sod. He said it looked like he drove by one day and didn't see any grass, and next time he came by it looked like a complete lawn. So that was a great compliment, and I appreciate that. But really the credit goes to I think the quality of the seed, the GCI Turf type tall few, great seed. Just really, really happy that I went ahead and spent the money and got that seed, and the results are, well, you're seeing the results behind me right here. So this is day 15. I'm thinking by October the 1st, for sure, another 2 weeks, we'll be needing to mow this for the first time. As you can tell, I'm going to show you this, but we have a lot of oak trees, big oak trees around our yard. And so I really needed to get this grass in to get it established so that I could take and blow those leaves off. When they start coming down, they come down and they come down quickly, and they're big leaves and heavy, so I don't want those to stay on top of the new grass. And at the same time, I don't really want to be walking on it a lot, and definitely can't rake it off. So the only choice is really to use a blower. So anyway, that's what we plan to do. Thanks for tuning in for this update, and if you like the videos, I really appreciate you to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Also, please leave a comment. That really helps me. This will be probably a third video upload, and so we're just learning as we go along. So your constructive criticism or your constructive comments will be very helpful, so I appreciate that. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a blessed day, and we'll see you later.